Hey, what's up, men and women? How are you? I hope you are. We all are will be fine. This is Wali from bestpluggerkp.com, and you can learn PHP with me, advanced projects in PHP. And friends, in previous video, we just created this index.php file for Malala project, and now we need to do the CSS work for this, and that will be just done by just creating. First of all, I need to okay, so inside CSS file you don't need to insert any HTML codes or anything else, just you need to write CSS code. So body and all HTML tags and HTML elements are by default selectors for CSS, and you can also create IDs and classes like this. You just specified for this div tag or this div element that an ID with the name header will be from CSS, and that will be styling this section up. Of course. So we will create 5 IDs in CSS, and also we can target any HTML element by its name. Like we targeted body, and we say that background will be black. So now Control S to save and come here, just because this is an external file, external CSS file. We are using CSS externally, so therefore we will need to attach this file or link this file to this document, the HTML document, and for that we just insert the link tag inside head tag. Before closing head tag, we insert the link tag, and the relation relation is style sheet, and a hypertext reference is style.css, because this is in the same folder, and media is for all screen, mobiles, and everything. Of course, this is that. Control S to save. Now come here, just refresh this page, so you will see some effects like the color is now black. Oh my god. So this is the black, and the text is also not appearing. However, doesn't matter. Come here again, and now to this CSS style. So we have 5 IDs. So ID is created basically using this hash sign. In CSS you can create IDs like this. We have given header, navbar, main content, sidebar, footer. These all are IDs. So we can create ID with this hash sign. In class, and we can create class with this dot sign. So this is the hash. After that, say the header, one style for this, and the navbar, one style for this, and the main content, one style for this, and the sidebar content for this, style for this, and the footer. So we have created 5 IDs in CSS. Now we have to give the style. For example, whatever style we like, we can add here. So I say the background. First of all, I say that the width should be 1000 pixels. This is 1000 pixel layout. Of course. And height should be, I said, okay, I have some pictures over here. I will check that what is the size of these pictures, the height, and the height is 100. Of course. So I will give 100 pixel a height for this header, and the background I say that just white for now. Later on we can change it. And the margin, I say that the margin left is auto, and the margin right is also auto. So this way this section will be centered, aligned. Of course. Come here, just refresh the page. You can see this is your header. What a nice header. This is of course header. Now here you can see a little bit distance between this border element and this header, so you can remove that by just adding padding 0 to body and margin 0 to body. So because by default the body tag has its own style in the browser, so you just remove that. Now you can see it is fixed there. So now come here, navbar, background color. I said background color should be brown, and width should be 1000 pixels, the same as header, and I say that margin right auto, margin left auto, and I say that the height should be, for example, 45 pixels. Yeah, that's it. Control S to save. Now come here, refresh the page, and you see this is your nav bar. Yeah, of course this has been designed. Now come here, just we can later on change many things more, but this is just basic. We are creating a structure, website interface for the users. Main content area, we said that this width should be 700, for example, 700 pixel. We said that border right will be a gray color border right will be a 2 pixel border, solid and gray. Yeah, of course. And we said that for example, we say margin right auto, margin left auto, and we say that float left. So come here, see, for example, we can add the color as white, sorry, the background color. For now we just edit white color that we can see that what is going here. This is basically the content area, you can see. But here we go, we just need to insert some margins, margin left. This is auto, but I will have to remove this auto margins because this is not inside an element. For margin left, I said that margin left should be 150 pixels. Yeah, of course. Control S to save. Come here, refresh this. My god, this is a little bit not good. Oh, I said 140. Now it's okay. And we said that currently we said that copy this whole style and put it here, paste it here inside sidebar. So we just say that this will be 300 because the whole design is 1000. The layout, sorry, the layout size is 1000 pixels, so therefore we say the width is 1000 pixels. We say that 700 is this main content and this is sidebar, this will be 300. And we removed this border etc, of course. And float, we said that float will be right, but we also say that margin right is 140 pixels. Now come here, refresh this. So you can see here is the sidebar, your sidebar, and border right 2 pixels, solid gray. So the color name problem is here, therefore the border is not coming between the sidebar and the content area. Now you can see here is the a little bit border, but for this you need to you know, because you have inserted a 2 pixel border, so therefore this will be now 298. Yeah, of course, this is, press it. Now it's okay. Here is the border. And if, for example, if you want to a little bit you know, appearance of these two you know, of these two elements, here is the sidebar and here is the content area. If you want to appear them right now, because we haven't yet worked on our PHP styles, so if you want to appear them, then you need to add height for them. For example, content areas height will be 600, height will be 600 pixel, and this will also be sidebar, height will also be 600 pixel. And we need to I want to add some gray color here to background of sidebar. Control S to save. Now come here. So basically this is what I wanted to tell you. So basically I think we have done some mistake here, therefore we crossed the area. 600 pixel, 2 pixel right border left, background white, and margin sidebar and margin 140 pixels. Alright, background gray, and that's I think oh, let me reduce a little bit margin for this content area a little bit more. So because to fix this problem, this is okay. Now we need to also make some changes to this 32. Told us to save, refresh, and come here. For something is needed more, 130 pixel the margin, right? Because you had to do everything correctly here. So that's now okay. Now our little bit design is you can see here is this is the body, the content area, this is the header, this is the navigation bar, this is the sidebar, and the footer. If you wanna insert a footer as well, then here is the you can see that you can say width should be 100%, not like 1000 pixel. This is 100% width, and height would be 80 pixel. And background, we say that will be brown color background, and we say that this is something like clear. Both the above style should be clear this time. So now just make it sure, refresh. So you can see this is your footer, and the color is brown, but you can also say orange, and will be more shining, for example like this. But this is not actually looking good, because we have very simple layout here. This should be brown, of course. Now refresh. So this is your footer, and this is your layout, basically basic layout. For example, this is your header, this is your navigation bar, this is the content area, the post body, and this is the sidebar, and this is your footer. So basically you have done the basic job, and now you need to create something really interesting. And in our upcoming videos we will work on this layout, because for till 4 or 5 videos we need to work on this layout, and after that creating a beautiful layout, we then will be starting PHP work, the advanced PHP work. So you need to stay tuned with me for all of the tutorials. Tada, bye bye.